Hi, welcome to Interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to Interview.com and you can post resume with us. Why main method in Java is public static void? Very important Java entry question and very basic one. Why main method in Java? Main method is static in Java. Since main method is static, Java Virtual Machine can call it without creating any instance of a class which contains main method. If main method were not declared static, then JVM has to create instance of the main class, and since constructor can be overloaded and can have arguments, there would not be any certain and consistent way for JVM to find main method in Java. Say in the constructor you have some dependent objects, so again JVM has to create that before calling the main method. So to keep it simple, they are doing like just have a method. Okay, I'll call that main method using static, so that I don't have to call any constructor and I don't bother about any dependent objects, because it's just a call and calling a method, that's it. So inside that you do whatever you want. Anything which is declared in a class in Java comes under reference type and requires object to be created before using them, but static method and static data are loaded into a separate memory inside JVM called context, which is created when a class is loaded. So whenever a class is loaded, a context is created. If main method is static, then it will be loaded in JVM context and are available to execution. Okay, that's why the method is static. So the very important point is, if you mark a method as static, you don't have to create an object to call that method. So it makes simple for JVM to call that method by using the name of the class dot the method name, period. If you don't mark the static, you have to create an object, and the constructor might have a different objects. JVM will stumble to create an object. That's why we are making it very simple by using static. And void means it will not return anything, and public means it should be public because JVM has to access it. Okay, hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. If you like this video, press the like button. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.